What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Minnesota Princess World. Today, we're taking this vehicle to the junkyard. In previous videos, we said we were going to fix this up. And in the same video, we said we weren't going to do it because no, this vehicle is actually worse for wear. Previously, I had another person who offered to buy the vehicle from me and use it as a parts vehicle. But apparently, that fell through. It's whatever. But still, I can still make a good profit taking this thing to the junkyard. So everybody, with enough said and enough of the introduction, let's get to getting this thing on a trailer. Before we put the Lexus on a trailer, I like to say this. We put a battery inside that little hauler truck right here, and unfortunately it was a dead battery. Yeah, we got out of a vehicle that we were going to junk, and unfortunately before we tested it, we sent our good battery with the junk vehicle to the junkyard. But you know, it's okay. All we have to do is just pull the battery out of this vehicle and put it on a charger. Hopefully it'll get a thing started up. So everybody, let's get to removing this battery. So everybody, what you see right here is actually just a change of plans. For the sake of time and the fact that it keeps on threatening to rain today, I've had to put this thing on a jumper cable. To tell you the truth, I'm not really a fan of doing this. It's just that time is of the essence. This battery right here costs over $200, and constantly jumping it off on multiple vehicles can cause this battery to discharge. And there you go, we lose the battery. So all in all, I'm not a real big fan of jumping with this vehicle in particular. You know, you gotta let time be your friend, I guess. So everybody, let this thing charge up, and I'll start up the vehicle.
A few moments later.
All right, everybody, we got the vehicle up and running. Now that we got that out of the way, let's hurry up and pull that Lexus over there on the trailer. tell me if you know anybody that's looking for a pair of fog lights for a 2006 Lexus IS250. So everybody, we got the Lexus on the trailer, but unfortunately the rain caught us, so all the junkyards are closed. So for now, I have to catch you guys in the morning.
The next day.
So everybody, it's the next day, and I hope you can tell by the expression on my face that I am literally bummed out. Wanna know why? Because I called the junkyard, and guess what they did? They swapped prices on me. So instead of making the initial price I had planned to make initially, what I got was a big load of a lowered price. And on top of that, they said they could lower the price based on deficiencies on the vehicle, which means it is not worth taking this vehicle to the junkyard. So what we have is just a piece of crap just sitting on this lot. Oh. Well, there's still the option to fix it up, but I tell you, it's probably not gonna happen. So what we're gonna do is just change the focus of this video midway. I'm sorry for that, but hey, unless you guys want a short video, then be my guest. So anyway, we still have another vehicle that we can take care of, and that's right, it's this Isuzu. Now, do you guys remember the last video this vehicle was in? It was fitted with transmission fluid, but yet it had a hard shifting problem. That's because we didn't put enough in there. So what we're gonna do with the remainder of this video is top this transmission up and take it for another test drive. So everybody, let's get it filled up this transmission. So everybody, here goes the next test run. And we're off. Let's check that first and second. That shift is actually kind of better. Oh, wait. Oh, man. Spoke too soon. Let's try second and third. Seems to be doing a whole lot better than last time. Big old mountain-like vehicle. Complete stop. And now, here we go. First gear. First and second, a whole lot better. Second and third could use some work. Man, this vehicle. I think it's probably the stop leak. There's no other explanation. Oh boy. Well, honestly, those shifts are actually getting better. Oh god, I'm so scared of these turns. Ooh, pothole, pothole. Woo-hoo-hoo! Jesus Christ. It probably need a touch more transmission fluid, because when it came spilling out of the weep hole, it was like literally pouring out. So I guess like it needs a tiny bit more, maybe. Well, you know. So everybody, we're back from the test drive. And I say, all I can say is, all I can say. The Isuzu might be a deadbeat, but you know, it is what it is. You can't force things to be what they are not. Anyway, as for this Lexus, and it is what it is. Though our plans for making a profit on it was not successful, it's alright. We just have to find another way to keep on trying to make a profit off this thing in any way. You know? Like I said, you can't make things be what they are not. You know? With that being said, that's me for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your bell notification to notify when I upload a new video. And also, if you want to be up to date with the happenings of this Lexus and the Isuzu, then check me out on Instagram at Princess World. With that being said, until next time, Prince out.